How to change the keyboard language in Windows 11. This tutorial shows you how to add a new language and switch between them. First, click the Start button and open the Settings app. From there, click on Time and Language in the left sidebar. After that, click on Language and Region. At this point, under Preferred Languages, click Add a Language. From there, search for the language you want to add, select it from the results, and click Next. Following this, click Install, and Windows will download and install the language pack. Once that's done, the new language will appear under your Preferred Languages list. From here, to set it as your default keyboard language, click the three dots next to it and select Move Up until it sits at the top of the list. Finally, to quickly switch between languages while using your PC, press Windows key plus spacebar, and it will cycle through all the keyboard languages you have installed. That's how you change the keyboard language in Windows 11. If this was useful, hit like, subscribe for more tutorials, and tap the bell so you never miss an upload. See you then!